There are 5 features built into the pre-week planner: gratitude reflection, drawing board, mission in progress, personal tracker table, and your cue. Gratitude reflection is about celebrating the little things that often go unnoticed. You can use it to write down 3 wins from the previous week, 3 things you're grateful for, or 3 standout moments. The goal here is to end and start your week on a more positive note. The drawing board is extra space that is built into your planner. Instead of reaching for a sticky note or a notepad for random list writing or note taking, you've got that extra space in your planner. This means you can keep everything in one place instead of across multiple notebooks and scrap pieces of paper. The dot grid strikes the perfect balance between structure and flexibility. Although it's called the drawing board, it is not designed exclusively for creative purposes. Drawing is just one of the many, many ways that you can use this blank space. The dots provide more structure than a blank space, which means you can write more neatly, but it also provides a framework for mind mapping, doodling, and sketching concepts. Bottom line, it can be customized according to your needs. You might use it to write a journal entry one week and then brainstorm business ideas the next. You might start by doing a brain dump of your entire to-do list and then gradually integrate what's relevant into your weekly spread. Or alternatively, you might jot down affirmations and inspiring quotes for the week ahead. If you'd like to see how other Curation users are using their drawing board, check out the link below. Those with the large version of Curation will notice an A4 dot grid on the left side of the pre-week planner and a blank drawing board on the right. The A4 pre-week planner offers a generous amount of space for planning and brainstorming each week. The mission in progress section links back to the goals that you've set earlier in the year. It's designed to keep your long-term goals top of mind by prompting you to think about what you can do each week to bring you closer to achieving your goals. It's easy to set your intentions at the beginning of the year and then lose sight of them. That's why we've included the mission in progress, to remind you and help you stay on track as well as get back on course when you find yourself drifting. Each week, we recommend flipping back to your missions, the goals that you've planned for the year, review the steps needed for each mission, and ask yourself, what can I realistically accomplish this week? This practice can help keep your goals front and center, allowing you to consistently make progress each week. If you are not pursuing any goals at the time, you can use this section as a weekly priority list. Simply list your top priorities for the week. Remember, just because there are 5 lines doesn't mean you need to fill them all. You may have only 1, 2, or 3 major priorities, and that is perfectly fine. Identifying your top priorities in advance allows you to begin each week with a strong sense of purpose. It reduces decision fatigue when Monday rolls around, and it helps you stay focused on what's important instead of spreading yourself too thin. The personal planner or personal tracker table was originally designed as a weekly meal planner, but we removed the headings a few editions ago to provide greater customization. The absence of headings gives you the freedom and flexibility to customize the table based on your changing needs, preferences, and priorities each week. How you use this multi-purpose space is completely up to you. You might choose to use it as a weekly meal planner, just as we previously had it, or you might reserve one column to plan your dinners, another for workouts, and another for scheduling study for a course you might be taking. You could also use it as a daily food tracker or a mood tracker. It is entirely up to you. As you transition into different seasons and your priorities shift, you have the option to change what you plan and track, making this a highly flexible feature. If you're looking for some inspiration from our fellow Curation users, check out the link below. Your Cue is a series of weekly prompts and challenges that inspire self-care, reflection, and mindfulness. These self-care challenges are designed to pull you out of your comfort zone and promote a little more mindfulness as you move through the week. We've also included reflection prompts, reminders to use certain features of the planner that you may have forgotten about throughout the year, and creative suggestions for how to make the most of these sections. Here's one example. Flip to your bucket list on page 5. Choose an experience or adventure that you can tick off this month.